The Crawfish by me, Leah Sparks. What is a crawfish? Commonly known as crayfish, crawdads, and mudbugs, but with the scientific name Procambarus clarkii, fish are small freshwater crustaceans closely related to lobsters. This organism belongs to the infraorder the Cedia, which contains over 500 species. Fish are part of the superfamilies Dacoidia and Parastacoidia, found globally in freshwater habitats. As I recently stated, they're found in freshwater habitats, favoring areas with clean, shallow, flowing, or standing water. They are heavily dependent on shelter, frequently hiding under rocks, logs, or within vegetation. They are most known for digging burrow systems, sometimes creating chimney-like structures that reach the water table. Down here, I drew a hand-drawn picture of the chimney-like structures that I've commonly seen in Texas. They're found in streams, rivers, lakes, swamps, and ditches. How do they get their food? Crayfish are opportunistic omnivores. They eat by scavenging and hunting using their front claws to grab food. This includes decaying plants, dead fish, worms, snails, larvae, and living aquatic plants. They are active at night in wetlands, rivers, and lakes, utilizing their antenna to locate food and tearing it into manageable pieces to eat. Predators prey and evolution. As a middleman in the water, the crawfish is an omnivore that eats small bugs and plants while being hunted by bigger animals like fish and birds, as depicted in the photos below. To survive, they have grown hard shells for armor, sharp claws to grab food, and a strong tail that lets them snap backwards to escape danger quickly. On the tree of life, they are part of the arthropod family, making them cousins to lobsters and crabs. Here are some hand-drawn pictures as well as a phylogenetic tree showing where they are on the tree of life. As I stated earlier, they're part of the arthropod family, but more specifically, they're crustaceans. They're called the crab because, as I stated, they're closely related to crabs and lobsters. Here is a picture of a worm and a dead plant, what which is what they eat. And then a quick diagram that I drew of their life cycle, where they start as eggs, become hatchlings, and turn into juveniles, then become adults, and then mate and start the process over again. Their importance beyond their wild habitat, they share the major connection with humans as a popular food source and a cultural staple in many global cuisines. They are a famous food staple that support many jobs and local traditions. Crawfish are ecosystem engineers that clean their homes by eating dead plants and acting as a vital food source for large animals. They also act as nature's alarm system, since their health tells scientists if the water is clean or polluted. Down here, I included some pictures of a crawfish boil, which I have myself enjoyed as a Southern person, and a picture of a crawfish farm, showing their economical impact and agricultural impact. As we stated earlier, they're commonly enjoyed as a cuisine, I would say mostly in the South as a Texan. And so just as this is a picture. And here are my sources. Thank you.